To take this opportunity to thank you for giving your time, even though you may be a member of Valelevu area, sir. May I extend just a small note, sir? During our meetings that we normally have here in Naveiwakau, down at, from what I've seen here, and that you have managed being invited here, sir, being a retiree for the past.
It is a privilege to be here this morning as your chief guest. I wouldn't miss this occasion for anything, as I'm a resident of Valelevu and a member of your community. I'm indeed honored by the invitation and kind gesture accorded to me this morning. I must foremost acknowledge the efforts of the organizers for creativity, innovation, and organizing for putting together today's program, specifically for the young people of Naveiwakau. I have been informed that the recently formed Naveiwakau Youth Group comprises of 76 members. I was also told that the youth group was formed with a vision and mission to engage youths in positive living, to create and organize activities that will harness their livelihood and help each youth abstain from illicit or criminal activities. The group's noble intention is to help each youth develop into becoming a better and effective citizen, contributing to the development of his or her nuclear family, community, and ultimately the development of our nation, Fiji. To all the youths of Naveiwakau, you're not only the future leaders of tomorrow, you are today's leaders and entrepreneurs, students, workers, caregivers, and problem solvers of today. I want to affirm today, while our parents and stakeholders are present, that no one knows better than yourselves the issues at stake or the best way to respond to your lack of progress and development. Today I want to call on you, the youths of Naveiwakau, to speak out, and for the leaders and elders in society to listen to the needs of the youths and direct every effort towards addressing them. Crime is a major part of every society, something we cannot deny its existence. Youths are prone to involve in criminal activities when they are idle and lack the support they needed to develop and pursue a successful life. Ladies and gentlemen, crime has multiple effects. Its cause and effects affects just about everyone in various forms and means. Of course, the ultimate cost is loss of life. In societies, the effects of crime include feelings of fear that disrupt members of the community and their sense of unity. The breakdown of social association due to habitual avoidance of certain places, an unwillingness to go out at night and damage to the image of the community. The perception of Naveiwakau as crime-ridden can deter people from visiting here and induce residents to move away from this community. When crime levels increase, local businesses may also choose to relocate, leading to a rise in the area's unemployment rate and lack of essential services. With a high level of unemployment and a high level of crime, professionals who want to earn a higher income might then leave to find communities where they feel safer. This will have a bad impact on the community and its citizens. I salute the Naveiwakau Youth Group and everyone gathered here to support the community's effort in reducing crime and help youth development. Crimes could have lasting negative impact on any community and society as a whole. With areas of high crime becoming isolated, I can only anticipate witnessing a new Naveiwakau develop from today, and its youth creating a new identity for themselves and their community. I thank all government agencies and representatives for their sacrifice and support towards this initiative. The presence of government officials today affirm government's commitment towards the holistic development of our nation and our most important resource, the youths of our nation. Youth advocates have concluded the fact that a nation's success depends on its ability to encourage, harness, and incorporate into its endeavors the creativity, daring, and energy of youth. This has been the message of the Ministry of Youth and Sports in the recent past. Every youth need to realize their gifts of being energetic and the ability to be creative. When these two elements are applied effectively, it will harness success for the individual youth. When wrongfully used, youths are often ended on the wrong side of the law, and their future is and are always affected or brought to an immature end. Youths of Naveiwakau, your everyday engagement with government, church, wanua, or the community, businesses should be underpinned and be driven by patriotism. We need to protect what we already have, the existing infrastructures. We should be vigilant to defend our women, sisters, and vulnerable and disabled members of the community. We should be responsible in our conduct because our nation needs us and needs us healthy and strong. We should form a wall against any force that seeks to divert us from our peaceful coexistence with other races. The Ministry of Youth and Sports and the government of Fiji is committed to walk every difficult mile with every young Fijian dedicated to securing a better Fiji for themselves. May I conclude by saying to the youth that they should remain positive despite people's negativity. It is always easy to stoop to other people's low ideologies and influences. However, it is harder and requires much more willpower to separate self from the people trying to put you down and bringing yourself up. Youths, you are all possess the power to have a positive impact on your family, the vanua, your community, and everyone you meet or come into contact with. Don't ever let anyone tell you otherwise. Therefore, I wish today's event a success. I also wish that 2016 would be a better year for engagement, creativity, and development for the youths of Naveiwakau. I hope that you will enjoy all that has been planned and organized for you today. It is my humble pleasure to declare the Naveiwakau Youth Awareness, Sports and Fun Day 2016 open. Valelevu.